Alright now, so right here I'm just showing my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2, and I'm going to apply this to both of the lids and pat this out with my 142 concealer buffer brush. That's done. I'm going to go into my Varsity palette. This is from Kiki Adams, the Glow Up Academy on Instagram. And I'm going to take that shade right there. I don't know the name of it and I don't have the color next to me, but I'm going to go in with that shade and I'm going to pat this all kind of over the lid, but not on the lid, just in that outer V, making a crease. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab that blue on a Morphe brush and I'm going to pat this on the outer edges on top of that first shade that I applied. I'm so proud of Kiki Adams, y'all. Her palette is so bomb. Okay, let me tell y'all, I cannot wait. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the rest of the colors, which is this green shade on top of the first shade that I applied, mixing it into the blue and also the first shade. And I'm going to go ahead and take that green out of her palette. Well, yeah, I think that green came from out of her palette. Yeah, that green came from out of her palette, and I'm going to put it right on top of that dark green that I applied. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that orange shade and apply this right on top of that dark green, mixing it in to the neon green. Then I'm going to take a light blue on the outer V area, and I'm going to just basically go back in and mix all those colors together. After I did that, I did go ahead and I cut my crease off camera with a wipe, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my blank canvas base and also carve out the crease, making it as crisp as possible. Okay, y'all, so I just grabbed these notebook palettes from the Crayon case. I did grab a blush binder too, but to put on the lid when I'm cutting this crease, well, after I cut my crease, I'm going to go ahead and take the yellow notepad first and go ahead with this gold shade. That gold shade was super pretty, and I'm also going to go in with this pastel yellow shade right after the gold and put it on top of the gold. You always want to merge your colors into each other, y'all. But yeah, okay, super, these popping. And I like the pink one. I got the pink, yellow, and the orange. And that blush binder is bomb. Y'all know I like blush now, so any blushes I can get a hold to, I'm gonna get it. And then it's like a whole binder full of blushes. So I'm just taking that orange out of the orange notebook palette, and then it's this pretty color in the orange notebook palette, which is right there, and it's super bomb, y'all. If I was to do a look with that, ooh, popping. I don't know what made me come up with this color combination. All I know is I was like, it's gonna come out the way it's gonna come out. That's one of those tired looks. Then I went ahead and took my liner from my collection and I lined my lids. I don't know, I tried to try this this outer liner with black and faded into each other. Like, I don't know, y'all, that's I was so sleepy. I'm always sleepy. Like, if anybody knows anything that could keep me up, like a vitamin or something that gives me energy, like, I'm always and forever lazy now. Like, I don't know, maybe because I'm getting fat or something, but y'all, I went ahead and drew that line, and then I also blended it into the orange on the edges of that yellow liner so that everything can fade into each other. So you're just gonna see me blend. It's just a blending thing. You just want to keep blending until you get everything precisely the way that you want. After I applied the liner and looking at it, like, okay, this is cool, this is the way I wanted it. I'm then going to apply some mascara and lashes. The lashes that I apply are from the beauty supply, and I thought they went really well with this look. I don't know, let me know what y'all think. I thought they went well. I love how sharp the wing came out. But I don't know, when I took my pictures, I just wasn't feeling it. Y'all ever had those days when you just know the look was so cute, and then you take pictures and they just not coming out right? Like, that's just always me right now. Like, it's not coming out how I want it to come out. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply my foundation the same way I always apply, because I don't know, I never switch it up. I apply my powders and everything off camera, and I also apply my blush off camera. Y'all gonna see the blush binder from the Crayon case in just a second, but it is super pretty. Look at it. Oh my god, all those colors filled with just blushes, like, oh, so bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this Inglide shimmery liner in my waterline, and then I'm gonna start off with the blue. I'm basically making a sandwich at the bottom of my lower lash line, and I'm also gonna apply this sparkly shade that Kiki Adams has in her palette, her Varsity palette, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle, and then I'm gonna put green underneath the blue, and then on the pink, under the blue, on the inner corner, I'm going to apply pink, and then orange in the center where I applied the shimmery shade, y'all. And I'm going to add a little bit of mascara to top it off. And yeah, y'all, I'm going to do the lips. The lips is just I had a hard time doing the lips. Like, I didn't like my lips how they came out, but you can do whatever. I wish I had like a pretty tropical pink to apply on my lips, like a matte lip liner, but you can do it however. But I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.